All around the castle, the knight chased the dragon. The dragon thought it was all in fun. Roar! Went the dragon. Hello, this is my dragon friend. This is Puff the Magic Dragon, and we're gonna do a song with Puff. But I want to show you how you can make your own very, very, very special puppet. This puppet is made of a sock, just like this. I just took an old sock and I put it on my hand and I just marked some places where I wanted to make sure I had eyes and maybe a little tail. And right in here you can make a kind of a mouth, even with a little bit of fire. And I sewed on different pieces of Puff, but you could also glue them on. We've got some wings here too, and make it whatever you want it to be. And this is my special dragon, Puff. Puff, are you gonna help me sing Puff the Magic Dragon?
Yes, it's my favorite song.
Oh, I love it too. So here we go. We're gonna do a little Puff the Magic Dragon. I hope you can see this. Here we go. Puff the Magic Dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Hanalei. Little Jackie Paper loved that rascal Puff and brought him strings and sealing wax and other fancy stuff. Puff the Magic Dragon, sing, lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Hanalei. Puff the Magic Dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Hanalei. Together they would travel on a boat with billowed sails. Jackie kept a lookout perched on Puff's gigantic tail. Noble kings and princes would bow whene'er they came, and pirate ships would lower their flag when Puff roared out his name. Oh, Puff the Magic Dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Hanalei. Puff the Magic Dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Hanalei. A dragon lives forever, but not so girls and boys. Painted wings and giant rings make way for other toys. One gray night it happened, Jackie Paper came no more, and Puff, that mighty dragon, ceased to roar his fearless roar. His head was bent in sorrow, green scales fell like rain. Puff no longer went to play along that cherry lane. Without his lifelong friend, Puff could not be brave, so Puff, that mighty dragon, sadly slipped into his cave. But then he found a new friend. Oh, Puff the Magic Dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Hanalei. Puff the Magic Dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land